This is for our 2007 Chevy Cobalt. The heat was not coming on. We checked the heater core, we checked antifreeze level, everything was flowing through it. And so what we ended up finding out, we pulled off this bottom actuator here, and the blend door shaft was completely broken off. There's the hole. I don't know how well you can see, but there it is. So what we're gonna try is a combination of things we found online. So here's the actuator, here's the part that's busted off in there. So we got a 1/2 inch thin walled pipe. You can use any kind of metal. This happens to be copper because that's what they had at our local hardware store, Family Center here in Butler. This part will go into here and slide onto that broken shaft and will be JB welded on. So this is the next part, that's trying to put this together. So you think just use a toothpick and
I think so, yeah.
stick it on? Cool. There's that part. Then do you want me to bring this over so we can put some more on it later too? All right, cool. And that copper pipe is just going to act kind of like an outer sleeve to be able to hold that piece onto it and grip on there. One thing that we did is we used a battery terminal cleaner after we cut that piece of pipe to 40 millimeters to rough it up on the inside so that the JB weld has something to kind of stick to. Like that. and the actuator is put back on there so everything lines up. So we'll let it dry and we'll finish testing it out tomorrow to make sure everything turns okay. Here's the second part to our video on repairing the blend door shaft that goes up into the dash. Right now I've got it set on cool. It's down to 51. I've got the car started to warm up, so I'm going to turn it up to heat so you can see how it works. And I'll turn it back, start you up to 100. So there you go. If you've got a blend door that's not working and the cause is the shaft's broken off, yeah, using this fix, it's a way you can repair it without tearing apart the whole dash and getting a new door and everything for it. This worked like a champ. So anyways, if this helped you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.